Hi guys, so this is a continuation of the previous video we did on BTC, the yesterday's analysis. So today we'll also be looking at BTC in order to be able to forecast what it's gonna do. So that yesterday, after we did the analysis, remember, if you can remember, we plotted this very support, and you can see now that BTC actually held that support. It respected the support because immediately it dropped to this 51K zone. It shot up, and yesterday we saw BTC going up as high as, what was the ATH of BTC at us yesterday? We had $57,580. So we saw BTC going up as high as 57K yesterday before it kind of corrected a little bit. So um as a continuation, this very support will still be there. We still have this support here. We still have to plot the support by extending it a bit further. And then what we are using is the 4-hour time frame. So to get a clearer picture of also what is happening, we could also switch to the lower time frame to be able to know whether we can spot something that we can't see in the higher time frame. Okay, so looking at this, something is actually obvious to me, and that's the fact that I can see a support level here. I can see a support here. So this is it. We have this support level here. We have this support line here. I could also extend it. Okay. So what it means is that as it stands now, this is another support level. This yellow line, that's also orange line. I mean, that's also another support level we have to keep our eyes on. So I am of the opinion that right now that BTC has actually hit the support. If you can see here, it hit the support, it has tested the support. So I'm of the opinion that starting from now, BTC will start going up, and it could actually go up to reclaim this week now. And of course, we know that week signifies rejection, but happily enough, this rejection didn't close bearish. Okay, instead it closed bullish. So we had this rejection. So I think from now, BTC would go up to retest, to reclaim this week, this zone of rejection. And then to also get another clearer picture, the bigger picture, I mean, we could also switch to the 1 hour time, to the daily chart. The daily chart is showing us something. Let's see what the daily chart is showing us. Okay, looking at the daily chart, we can see that the next major resistance that BTC has is around 64K, 64.8, 64.8, 64, from 64.8 to 69K. That's the previous 80H. That's the all-time high we had a couple of years ago. That was as far back as 2021. So that's actually apparently the next major resistance we are having. If BTC continues to respect this very support level, we could see it go up as high as 64, 67K, 60, 68K, 69K. It's pretty much possible because that's where we have the major resistance. Okay, so also back to the 15-minute chart, we have the support level that is being respected. So we just have to keep trade what the chart is giving us, not what we think is gonna happen. We just trade what the chart is giving us. So right now, it wouldn't really be a bad thing to start taking some buy positions, taking into cognizance the fact that if this very support is broken, you could see BTC coming back to retest the previous resistance, the resistance on support, which is around 52, 53K or thereabout. But right now, this support is still holding. So it held here, held here. Apparently, it's gonna hold here, and holding here could likely push it up to the 57K. And then if we try to extend this, I'm not saying it must happen, but if we try to extend it, we could extend it to as high as this very major resistance. That's around 68K or thereabout. But then nothing is cast in stone. We can't just say that this thing must happen because in the markets we always have a mind of its own. It can always do what it wants to do. So remember that as long as this support is being respected, BTC is actually going up. But in the case that it gets broken, this support gets broken and eventually closing below it, we could see BTC coming down to 53K, and like possibly you could also see it coming back to retest this support level here. Okay, so around 51K or thereabout. But then we just have to trade what the chart is showing us until there is a change. So the trend is your friend until it bends. Okay, guys, so that's just what I wanted to share with us this morning. I hope we have a beautiful trading day, and then I will talk to you guys. Also remember that if you're trading altcoins, you have to pay key attention to BTC, because whatever BTC does, majority of altcoins, if not all of them, will always take a clue from the behavior of BTC. So whatever position you want to take, make sure you have gotten the direction of BTC, because if BTC is going up and you're trying to short any altcoin, I'm not saying it might not really benefit, but I think it would be in your best interest to trade according to the direction of BTC, so that you would minimize your losses and you would be in the trading in direction of the trend. All right, guys. So thank you so much and have a beautiful trading day. I'll talk to you guys soon.